This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Link. Welcome to the Sunny Side Cottage in sought-after Meadowbrook. This charming home offers a well-designed layout maximizing every inch of space. Recent upgrades include brand new LVP flooring, a newer HVAC system 2021, moisture barrier installed in 2022, and a tankless gas water heater 2023. Inside, discover a well-appointed living room, comfortable bedrooms, and a stylish kitchen with updated cabinetry. Outside, enjoy a wraparound deck and expansive backyard, ideal for gardening and relaxation, featuring a large storage shed. For Norfolk zoning, adding driveway possible with permit approval. This move-in ready home is conveniently located near NAVSTA Norfolk, schools, entertainment, and interstates. December 11, 2024. For more information, review the details below.